To replace a damaged stone panel, carefully chip away with a hammer at the damaged panel area to expose the metal rain screen. Be sure to use a full-face shield and gloves. Using tin snips, snip away the rain screen. Repeat chipping the stone and snipping the rain screen until you have completely removed the damaged panel. The fastening flange does not need to be removed as it is holding the panels above in place. Clean up debris. Flatten out any remaining parts of the existing insert left on the wall using a hammer. Important: make sure you repair any damage to the house wrap before installing the replacement panel. Remove the fastening flange of the replacement panel. Drill a pilot hole through the stone panel using a 7/32 inch masonry bit. If the masonry bit runs into the stainless steel insert, which is integrated throughout the panel, you may not be able to drill through the seam of the panel. In that case, patch the hole using color-matched exterior-grade sanded caulk, and then try another location on the panel for drilling your hole. Drill a countersinking hole in the same location using a 3/8 inch masonry bit, making sure to have a minimum of 1/2 inch of stone behind the head of the screw. Note: you may have to use an angle grinder to remove the bevels on the side of the replacement panel to get a good fit. Use 2.5 inch stainless steel screws to attach the panel. If the screw has minimal or no engagement into the substrate, remove the screw and re-drill the countersinking hole deeper. Drive the screw into the panel. Do not overdrive the screw, as you will crack the panel. Use 2 screws for panels less than 14 inches and 3 screws for panels 14 inches or wider. Use color-matched exterior-grade sanded caulk to cover the screw heads.